Hi friends, welcome to the channel True Indian. Today we are going to tell you Ayurvedic treatment for hiccups. Now, first remedy is using Baheda powder. Take 1 gram of Baheda powder 2 to 3 times a day with lukewarm water. Next remedy is using black pepper powder. Take 500 milligram to 1 grams of black pepper powder 2 to 3 times a day with lukewarm water, especially after each and every meal. Now, next remedy is using Mayur Chandrika Bhasma. Take 250 milligrams of Mayur Chandrika Bhasma with honey 3 to 4 times a day. Next remedy is using Shankhvati. Take 2 tablets of Shankhvati with lukewarm water 2 to 3 times a day. Next remedy is using Sooth Shekhar Ras. Take 250 milligrams of the Sooth Shekhar Ras 2 to 3 times a day with lukewarm water. Friends, this is it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.